Hey everybody, today I'm checking out this blood glucose meter, which I think that it's a really nice device that doesn't need any kind of coding and it's really fast testing, which I think that it's nice, makes it really easy to use it by anyone who needs it. And it comes with 100 test strips and 100 Lancets to do the proper test, okay? You get this carrying bag, okay? These are the test strips that comes included, okay? This is the proper device, and as you can see, it's quite small, perfect to bring it with you wherever you need it. And you get, as you can see, the different buttons to control it. In here you're gonna place the test strips that comes included, and in here you get a power holder, okay? In here you're gonna place the batteries that are gonna be used to get the device in which you're gonna take the samples with the Lancets, okay? To get different depths depending on how you need it, and we get the proper lens, okay? They come with a cap, obviously, okay? They are a total of 100 Lancets, okay? And we got also the batteries that we are gonna use for our device. I'm gonna place it in. As you can see, we have a large display that we can set the time, date, and some different records. So I think that it's really compact and travel size design, that also with the carrying bag it's really easy to take with you anywhere that you need it, okay? And we also get the proper manual with all the important information about it, a quick start user guide with all the important information about it and how to use it. We have a display message meaning, okay? In here we are gonna see all the different display settings that comes, okay? And what I think that it's great is that it's actually really simple to use, okay? You just have to clean all the area where you're gonna do the blood sample, assemble the proper testing device, okay? You get it like this, get a turn. Insert a Lancet, okay? Once that it's on, you take the cap off. I'm not gonna use one, okay? But I'm just gonna show you. Close it. You adjust the depth of the needle. This selector. And once that it's ready, you just install the test strip upon the device. Then we can proceed with the blood collection, okay? We just use it in a zone that you want. Go ahead, use this. And the test tip just place the blood upon it, and it will read it and tell you how it is, okay? Which I think that it's really simple, quick, and easy. Once that you have your test, just properly discard of everything in a proper way, throwing it upon a trash can in a correct manner, and that's it. Just that it's simple, so any kind of senior or a person doing for the first time will be able to use it. And as I've said, it's a really simple device, quite small, and with the travel bag, really great to take it with you wherever you need. Overall, I think that it's a really nice device that can help you to track your glucose, and overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.